Hello, welcome to Ruby Thursday on a Thursday this time. Welcome. My name is Melissa Wanish. If you're hopping on new, this is a continuation of several live coding sessions where we're developing a membership site for an NFT project called Adult Fantasy that launched back in December, and we're working towards building a site so that those folks can get some rewards and some other things coming up. It's just the beginning of the site. And so right now we're working on creating an account and especially capturing that ETH address when you come in. And so that gets captured. And so you can then eventually sign in with that account. So we've gotten a lot of it done. I'm going to make a playlist over the weekend. So if people want to catch up, of course, watch on double speed. And then we're going to keep going. I think we're announcing a hopeful launch date soon. I won't say it here, but we're planning to launch it pretty darn soon. So I got to keep working. I am planning to do a session this evening as well for those who are not up at this hour, especially on the west coast of the U.S. And so, now, of course, those people will be like, "What? Where are we?" But I am going to do that, and so and just keep moving. So it'll be 8:30, ish tonight, and so we'll work then as well. So. All right. Again, if you have any questions, throw them in the chat. If you're coming in new and you just need a little context, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna dive into where we ended yesterday. So let me share screen. All right. We got up to the point where we have our form. And we have our field for the ETH address, so the JavaScript can find it and add it in. And then what we'll do next is uh, go ahead and add the JavaScript. So here's the form. Here. All right, here it is. Beautiful. Okay. At the end of yesterday, I did not have MetaMask on this Chrome browser yet because this is a fairly new computer to me. And so I got that signed in and set up. It may not still be signed in. Is it still signed in? That's a good question. And still, yep, my zero test account just to play around with for that. So, but now we need to go add the JavaScript. So we are using, where are you? Here? Ah, it's down here, but yes. We are using this tutorial. So I'm going to go grab the code from here. I'll show this on the screen again. So here is the JavaScript we're going to include. So we've got the form set up, and now we need the JavaScript. So they are using users. I'm saying members. So let's go add this file and add this to it. All right. So to JavaScripts. Now, where app JavaScript. Have a whole. Oh, they made a folder that doesn't come standard with. I think it's usually in assets JavaScripts, right? Channels. It's been a while since I've looked at this. Channels are for action cable. I could have the top level of app. That's where they put it. Let's follow along. That's fine. JavaScripts. Okay. New folder. And then a new file. JavaScript. Rename. Because we're going to have plenty of JavaScript here, because that's how the browser is going to talk to the wallet and everything like that. Okay, JavaScript hacks users. Okay. New folder. This maybe. All of them. Okay, members. Like that. Oh, members new. Okay. New rename. I'm a little sleepy today. Woo. All right. And okay, and then we'll copy this and change the names. Anything with user is instead. Oh, sorry, Control D. Is, oh, well, that one's going to be capital. Okay. We'll just change it manually. Member. There was one more user. It's down here somewhere. There we go. Got it. Oop. Yes. Okay. All right. So again, it's going to look for the form. It's going to find the Ethereum. I think there's probably a gem that I haven't included yet. So like this here is probably going to come up with like quest. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe it's just all in the browser now. Okay, so all right. Let's see what happens. Let's make sure it's here. Okay. Yep. All right. I'm gonna refresh. Oh, refresh. Sorry, wrong fingers. Okay. Create. Oh, a username. Jean-Luc Picard. I'm probably gonna have to. If I make many accounts. Oh well, it actually has to be a unique. Oh, let's not forget to put this back in so we don't make an erroneous one if it doesn't work. We are going to validate ETH address, present true, uniqueness true. You can't make multiple accounts with the same ETH address, which is great. Okay, so here we go. Jean-Luc Picard. Oh, let's refresh again. Make sure that's there. Okay. Picard, create account. Oh, ETH address can't be blank. Okay, do we have any console logs? Let's see. No. Is there probably some server stuff? Let's see. Oh, you know what? I think that we forgot to add it to the controller. Oh, we did not do that. We had left that off for now because that's going to be coming in the form now, right? So it wasn't permitted. Okay. ETH. And then it should come in with the params that we've added the nodes separately. And then we'll do that. Okay, let's try again. Hey, the error messaging is working. Okay. Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to try again. What's this? Yes, I know that. Application. Okay. Are we having the same thing where it's not? Oh, you know what else I forgot? Oh, I forgot. Yes, one more thing. So in this page here, aha, that's right. The JavaScript, not even there. Okay, I'm waking up. I'm waking up. Here we go. On the new or in the form? What did they do? They did it on the form. Form, just if it's there. Okay. Pack, and of course we want members. Okay. All right, try again. Here we go. Can I just? Oh, all right, we got a new error. Oh, yeah, what is this pack thing that the tutorial is saying about? Pack tab. Let me read up this Rails JavaScript pack tag. What is that and what is it doing? Oh, Webpacker. Oh, I don't think that Webpacker. I'm using Webpacker. Well, there you go. I think we should just put it into. I think it's in the wrong place for us. I think this is older Rails than what I'm using now. And we didn't use Webpacker. We used the newer thing, ES build. So I think my initial should have gone with my instinct. My instinct was like, I don't think this is it. My instinct was like, hey, let's go. I should put it in just the regular assets in JavaScript, and that's where they go. Okay. I see. Because if you're using Webpacker, it's going to pack it up for you. Okay. Let me actually, maybe I should go to the Rails docs. Guides. JavaScript. There we go. And this is the new. How can I tell if it's Rails 7? Hopefully. Where does it want you to add this? Right in there. If you want separate files, where do you want those? Yes. Uh-huh. So I'm asking more about like, where do we put the files these days? No. Okay. Oh, there's a little. I was like, where's the versioning? There it is. So it's more about like, what is this sort of standard where to put JS files, Rails 7. Oh, lovely. Here we go. I mean, ES build and okay. Whoops. Go away. I don't really want notifications. Thank you. Include tag. App JavaScript, and then the JavaScript's right there. Not present in the asset pipeline. Oh, sorry, squirrel. Okay, the name of the file. Yes, assets build folder. Try to include tag. Yes, build. You need to put an app JavaScript and then import it in the application JS file. Okay, so it's still looking for it in app JavaScript, which is not a PAX subdirectory. And then yes, application JS is where we used to define those things. Okay, just making sure with the ES build where it's supposed to go. Cool. Thank you so much, Reddit and the internet. All right, so let's go here. We need to move. I think moving's easier. And the terminal. Do I have another tab? Let's make it below. Move. It's an app. Java. Pack. Members to app JavaScript. Okay. All right. And then remove RF app JavaScript packs. Didn't I do? Oh, is there? Okay. So, and then, so we've got our JavaScript. It just has members new in it. Now we need to go to our, where's application JS now? It's not in here anymore. Is it in, how about nation.js? There's none. Oh, it doesn't auto-generate that anymore. I guess because they don't know what you want to do with your JavaScript these days. All right, there's options. So what? Back to Chrome, I guess is where I was looking that up. You can also write code directly in it if you like. Yes. I assume that goes in here. It's just crap. Okay. Or not crap, but additional most posts from the Rails community. More posts. Oh, okay. Oh. Compare it here, blah, blah, blah. Let's go here. Give some internet juice to this person for posting there. Most cases will be application.js. So app JavaScript application.js. I think I just need to make a file there. Let's build. All right, there's probably some more stuff I'm supposed to do. I haven't even looked to see if that's included. I generated it with ES build, but I guess that didn't generate files. Let me look in our layout, see what it's including right now. None. Okay. All right. So then we've got some Rails internals to hook up. Oh, hi. Add JavaScript. Oh, thank you, Mike. Yes, because I've apps, JavaScript packs. See, I think that's if you're using Webpacker, and I'm using ES Build. So I think I would put it in here. I think, but let's see. Oh, this is in the wrong place now. Let's just close that and then reopen it. I think what I'm going to do is instead Um, yes, for Webpack. Yeah. So I'm not using Webpack yet. So I went with the Rails 7 recommendation from DHH was ES build. So um, okay, back to JavaScript. Adding, I think this is what we need to do. New file, .js. Did not. Oh, import. Is it just like import? Um, members. No, that's not it. Too many things. Oh, package JSON. I should double check this. It's double check my um. Okay, is that because I haven't set up something with ES build? Why do I not have a package JSON? Because I haven't needed one yet. Hmm. How do I not run yarn, right? When let's see. JS bundling Rails. Why don't we look in here? Yeah. See if there's some other stuff I'm supposed to be looking at. JavaScript. Yes. This Java installers get you going with button of your choice. The new Rails application. Builds. Great. Okay, cool. You can run it same time. That's cool. Uh-huh. Rails 7, you can prefigure new application to use a specific bundler. I did that, but I feel like it didn't I feel like it didn't do the things. Am I wrong? I feel like it did not do it. Let's see what happens if I Rails JavaScript install ES build. Maybe I just didn't do it right when I was doing it. Hello, other folks. I don't know how to pronounce that, but hello. Hi, is it Tinteron? I'm gonna say it badly, but yes. Okay, so we're gonna run that, and maybe it'll auto generate things. Maybe I should get rid of this file I just made. In case it auto generates it. I mean, it doesn't have anything in it. I'm gonna delete it for now. All right, I just getting excuse me, a little gravelly today. Okay, so hopefully better than I can. Okay, Rails let's install Rails JavaScript install. Okay. Oh, ES build. Should have done that, but somehow it didn't. It's like, yeah, now it's making all the things. I don't know. All right. I think the Rails generated when I did it. Maybe I just had a wrong flag or something. I'd have to go back to the video to see what I did wrong. But now it added it added that file. It added the tag in there. I knew it would do all this stuff. It added these assets builds, manifest. Yeah, all that stuff I was missing. Okay, cool. So I think in yet another and this terminal doesn't seem to have the ability to have like another I can have a new window. You can't have a new tab. I guess I can't have new tabs on this. What is that? Maximize. New output. I'm just playing around with this new one. It does. Oh, what's this? I don't know. It's like a new window, but I can go back to my first window. Oh, how cool. Okay. I'm sure there's some like hotkeys to go between. I'll have to read up on that. Okay, so right now let's cd into the dev. Okay, and then it was the doc said to run yarn build watch. Also another. If you're not using something like Puma Dev, I'm not. I don't think I'm using Puma Dev. Can also use bin dev, which will start both the Rails server and the JS build watcher, along with the CSS build watcher if you're also using CSS bundling Rails, which I don't know. Am I? Oh, we get a, yeah. You also use that. Thank you. Yeah, I just sort of found it. I said, I have a new computer. Let's try something new. Yeah, not enough coffee. There we go, a little bit more. Well, the other one's up and running. Let's do the yarn build watch in this other terminal window. Is it? No. No such option. Watch. I'm taking this right from the docs. Dev. We'll start both. Okay, well, maybe we'll try this instead. So we'll stop this one here. And then we'll I guess then Rails S. I would start both of them. Oh, or does it do that? That is all it does. Start was called with arguments. Oh, okay. Oh. I don't what? Okay, so the same error. Yarn error, no such option. I'm so close to getting this thing. All right, here we go. No such option. Watch. Have yarn, right? How do we check the version? Yarn version? Dashes? Check yarn version. I mean, clearly I have yarn. Oh, just yarn version. Okay. Something's up. Something is up with yarn. What is did it install? Okay, wait. Where was this? Add package JSON. What if I just run yarn? No. What is that? Okay. Um, oh, Jira's being sweet. The most underrated streamer beneath the heavens. Thank you for the compliment. As I struggle with yarn. What on earth? I do have a package JSON, right? It said that I got one. Here it is. Let's take a look at it. Scripts build, bundle, source map. Okay. Yarn build? No. Did you install it? It sure okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Mike is suggest I maybe it's not. It's a new computer. I thought I had it, but you know. Yarn. Oh my gosh, I didn't have yarn. Well, no wonder. Okay, well, it's still unhappy there. Added one package and audited two packages. Hmm. Okay, I feel like I got a new error though. Okay, so got a new error. ES build command ES build not found. Are they just missing some setup here that I'm like, I ran that. Okay. Um, is that like okay, here. Okay, fine. I'll drink some coffee while it redoes that. All right. Maybe this isn't installed. Install it. There we go. You know, simple things. Install the right dependencies, you know. Cool. All right. J-Rod's going to be in and out as he's working right now as an Uber driver. Well, I hope you definitely have business today. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it worked this time. That's exciting. All right, just had to have all my JavaScript set up. I that just running the Rails new command did not bring up these like, hey, you're missing some stuff. And it didn't even install the JavaScript. So now I believe we can use JavaScript in the app. Let's go back to here. All right. Now I still haven't imported the just kind of want to get rid of that error message. Can we go back to here? Okay. Sign up. Okay. Um we still haven't imported. Will it do that automatically? Let me look at because it might just bring in everything that's in the same folder. Used to do that. Let's see if it still does that. Um, nope. Do you still have to like manually import this? Um, are there console errors? No. Console. Hmm. It does have it in there. It is pulling in numbers. Okay, so I don't have to pull it in, but it is cannot read properties of null. Reading add event listener. Okay. I don't know what the file is. Um, no. ETH Connect, add event listener. So it got there. Window Ethereum is not undefined, right? Um, window dot Ethereum, right? We got it's there. Async if and click. So what's the issue error again? New and then 16. That's the end. 9. Button ETH Connect. So button ETH Connect. Button ETH Connect. Did I remember to add the class to the button? Good question. No. Well, there you go. Because in our example, Firefox, right? In our example, um, there is a button with the class ETH Connect. And that's where it's knowing that this is the button. So it can't listen because it can't find the button. All right, so let's go back. Form submit, not button submit. Do I need to change the, sorry, form button? Ah, okay, because it's going to submit. So I need to change that it's the form button. Okay. All right. Change it up. Button class. And now it's just this. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Ending with the button. Okay. Right. Hmm. Class, ETH Connect, create account, button. All right. Let's see if it rendered. Does it re-render automatically? I don't remember. I was going to re-render it. Okay. Clear it out. There are no console errors. That's exciting. What happens now? Oh, okay. I will share that one in just a second. Let me get this one done. Oh, does it have to wait? It's not waiting. It doesn't seem to be waiting. Interesting. We may change this error message then, but maybe the idea of it's still happening. Okay, so connect with MetaMask. Awesome. Yes, the one that, yeah, next. I'm, yes, allowing this website to have access, connecting. Okay. Interesting. I wonder how we solve that. So now it's connected. And now can I create the account? No. Mm, why? Mhm. Yeah, I know. Right. Okay. What if if I reload, do I have to reconnect? Mm, what are you up to? Connected. All right. Does it still say connected? Yeah. Blah, blah. Okay. Create account. No, it's still unhappy. It's not getting that ETH address. Um, um, oh, yeah, that's okay. I just realized the reason that the JavaScript showing up is yes, we've included it here just on this page, which is fine. It doesn't have to be in the application JS. If we just want it on the one page. Um, what? Okay, I'm gonna take a break just to share Mike's post. And I'm glad to see them integrate Foreman into RL7. He used it for years. Um, and launch all the other processes, right? Because now we have to launch the JavaScript with it. It's all integrated now, right? So that's the goal. He wrote a blog post about it years ago. Feel free to share it. Um, uh, so what is up? If it's not doing, it doesn't seem to be um, submitting. This is JS. We can console log in here, right? Maybe. What is Ethereum set as? Right? Is it just me or like this? What is that set? So window.ethereum method request. This is where I'm thinking I'm probably missing something. I had my hunch there. I was like, I think there's something else that maybe I'm missing from uh the post here. Let's read again real quick here. Mm, to validate the address field. Well, I think that happens later. I actually haven't done that yet, right? I haven't added all this um, stuff yet to make sure it's like valid. I haven't done that yet, which is fine. I'm just trying to get it to no, we're not doing login yet. Too much fun. Okay. Yeah. So why don't we console log? Um, we get here. Um, and then this is a trick I learned recently. So it'll say accounts, and then it'll actually print them out and see if we have any accounts, because probably not. Value accounts 0. Let me make sure. Put ETH address and put ETH address. Did I make sure? Let's double check my HTML. to class ETH address. So that should be okay. We could also inspect the HTML. Um, put. Uh-oh. Well, that could be it then. Look, there's no. Oh no. Field with errors. Okay. Read only, hidden, ETH address, type text, value name, number, ETH address. Okay, so it's there. It's hidden. It's read only. That's what the example had, right? Um, address, read only. Okay. Um, okay, so we've got some console logs. Let's look again. Okay, so let's just console log this, and we're gonna clear it out. Ah. Uh. Um. Oh, I don't want it to clear. That's what I'm trying to do. Don't clear. Errors, members, console messages. No. Okay. So what's it doing? Yeah. It's like stopping before I can see the console. All right. So we have access to a debugger. Where is the? There we go. Just not even worry about it. Just get here. Call it, right? Okay, debugger. Don't hide it. Yeah, go back in. Okay. All right, let's try again. No debugger. Ah, do not get there. Clearly, okay, let's go back to, it stops, wait, it stopped there. All right, let's try going back in. Coming back in. Aha, debugger up there. Okay, awesome. Yay, okay. Debugger's working. Let me have some more area. So here's the debugger. And then, where do I want it? I want the back to the console. Do I have Ethereum? Yeah. Okay. That has events. What is it that it's doing? Ethereum request, right? Okay, request. Right. Okay. Method, ETH request accounts. Let's copy that in. Promise pending. Okay, so it's async. Right. Okay. Um, await. Is it not awaiting? It doesn't get to the second debugger. Okay. It doesn't get to the second debugger because it's not awaiting. Method supposed to await async. Okay. It doesn't stop there. It's interesting. So it seems to not await. It just keeps going. Why would it just keep going? Wait's not working. Is there something else? Oh, well, this is can't be played. I mean, I'm sure it's still got there. Step over. Right. Await. Aha. Accounts undefined. Accounts undefined. And then it goes back to there. Cool. All right. We are at the end of our day or morning. But we got a lot further. We got a lot done. Getting just the JavaScript part at least running, if not correctly. So thanks for coming. And yeah, this is an interesting place to start this evening in kind of a buggy place. I don't have a ton of time between then to like research, but I will try to see where we can what it is about that. So thank you, Mike. Thanks. Yeah, at least we got it running. At least we worked out the kinks. So well, thank you, Jara. Have a beautiful day too. And I will see you all soon. All right. Awkward ending. I have to figure out a way to like maybe I'll sing out. Not today. Gravelly voice.